G'day, it's Mark again, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about a really cool vehicle that I went for a ride in a few years ago now. I was with Fletch in the US, and as a kid I looked at books with experimental cars from General Motors and Ford and Chrysler, and always loved those sort of futuristic vehicles. So one of the vehicles that General Motors made and used in the 1950s, I think from 53 to 56, was the General Motors Futurliner, the GM Futurliner. So I had a book on the Futurliner, and I read that Don Mayton and a band of guys, older guys, had restored this Futurliner number 10. And Futurliners there was 12 made, and they were used as part of the General Motors Parade of Progress. So they actually travelled all over America, and they showcased, particularly to regional towns, technology. Each Futurliner had a technology display inside, and people from General Motors, scientists and so on, engineers, could explain how that technology worked. So really bring the technology to the people. So, but anyway, these Futurliners I thought were absolutely fantastic looking vehicles. You know, just the design. When you ride in the Futurliner, and I was lucky enough to ride in one, you're so high up. You're actually looking down on semi-trailers and things like that, you know. And just to meet the guys that were part of the restoration project, it was a huge project that they did. It was really terrific. So, yeah, it was just an amazing experience, you know, not only to see the Futurliner. They were powered by a 6-cylinder 302 cubic inch engine. And then, interestingly enough, they also had dual front wheels, which is quite strange. But anyway, it was a fantastic experience. Love the vehicle, and yeah, just on the bucket list. So anyway, I thought I'd just show you a bit of footage on the Futurliner and just tell you about that experience. So thanks very much. Please give a thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe button in the bottom right-hand side of the screen there. And yeah, look forward to hearing your comments. Always respond to everyone's comments. So please, again, subscribe, and look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.